Hello, my name is Ethan, and today we will talk about how to learn English easily. Many people think learning English is difficult, but that is not true. If you learn in the right way, it can be simple and fun. 1. Listen more, learn faster. One of the best ways to learn English is by listening. When babies learn their first language, they listen before they speak. You should do the same. Watch English movies and TV shows. Use subtitles if needed. Listen to English music and podcasts. Try to understand the meaning, even if you don't know every word. When you listen more, your brain starts to understand English naturally. 2. Don't worry about grammar. Too much. Many learners focus too much on grammar and get scared to speak. But grammar is not the most important thing at the beginning. Speak first, and grammar will improve over time. Learn simple sentences and use them in daily life. Make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. 3. Learn words in sentences. Instead of learning single words, learn sentences. For example, instead of just learning the word happy, learn I feel happy today. Instead of memorizing the word go, learn I go to school every day. When you learn sentences, you will remember words more easily. The key to learning English easily is to listen, speak, and practice every day. Now, let's explore more simple and effective ways to learn English quickly. 1. Think in English. Many learners translate words from their native language to English. This takes time and makes speaking slow. Start thinking directly in English. Look at objects around you and name them in English. When you feel hungry, think, I want to eat something. Before sleeping, think, tomorrow I will wake up early. The more you think in English, the faster you will speak. 2. Use English every day. Make English a part of your daily life. Change your phone language to English. Write your daily activities in English. Speak to yourself in English. Even if you are alone, say your thoughts out loud. When English becomes a habit, you will learn without stress. 3. Practice speaking without fear. Many learners feel shy or afraid to speak. They think, what if I make a mistake? But mistakes help you improve. Talk to friends in English. Join online English speaking groups. Read a short passage and try to explain it in your own words. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. The secret to learning English easily is to make it part of your daily life and speak without fear. We have already talked about listening more, thinking in English, using English every day, and practicing speaking without fear. Now let's look at the final and most powerful tips to master English easily. 1. Read every day. Reading helps you learn new words, correct sentence structures, and natural expressions. Start with simple books, short stories, or news articles. Read out loud to improve your pronunciation. If you don't understand a word, try to guess the meaning before checking the dictionary. Even 10 minutes of reading every day can make a big difference. 2. Write to express yourself. Writing improves your English because it helps you organize your thoughts. Keep a daily journal in English. Write short messages or emails in English. Try to describe your day in 5 to 10 sentences. Don't worry about mistakes, just write. Over time, your writing will improve. 3. Shadowing technique. Powerful speaking practice. The shadowing technique is a great way to speak like a native speaker. Here's how. 1. Find an English audio, a short story, a podcast, or a speech. 2. Play the audio and repeat immediately after the speaker. 3. Copy the pronunciation, speed, and rhythm. This method helps you speak faster and sound more natural. 4. Stay consistent. Small steps. Every day. Many learners start strong but quit after a few weeks. Learning English is like growing a plant. You need to water it every day. Study for 15 to 30 minutes daily. Don't take long breaks. Even 5 minutes a day is better than stopping completely. Enjoy the process. Learning English should be fun, not stressful. Learning English is not difficult if you make it a habit. The more you listen, speak, read, and write, the better you will become. So, never give up. Keep practicing, and you will succeed. If you like this, please subscribe, like, and comment.